Hey guys, I'm Bree, and today I'm going to show you how to make carpets in Minecraft. It's super easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's go. So you don't need shears in order to do this, you just get more wool that way, so you just need 2 iron ingots and then you can create some shears, and all you have to do is go up to the sheep and right click and get some wool. And the thing with getting a bunch of white wool is that white wool can be easily dyed into any color because of the plain white base. So, when in doubt, get a bunch of white wool because you can always change it later on. Next, what you're going to do is create a crafting table. I have one over here, so I'm just going to run over to it real quick. So open your crafting table, and all you have to do is use 2 pieces of wool, so 1, 2, and that will give you 3 white carpets, and I'm just going to go ahead and make all of those. So now we have a bunch of white carpets, and if you want to change the color of the carpet, you would use some dye. So let's go find some flowers or something, and let's go head back over to our crafting table. All right, so we're going to quickly make some dye with the materials that we gathered. All right, so now we have our dyes, and what we're going to do is place carpet here and some dye right next to it, and now we can have a red carpet. I'm going to make 2 of those. I'm going to make 2 yellow, and I'm going to make 3 black. And those are just a few of the colors. You can do this with pretty much any color possible. You just have to find the right dye for it, and all you would do is right click to place it down, and you can even place it over a pathway if you would like to. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2. All right, and so these are all of the different colors that we have just created. And yeah, that is how you can make some carpets in Minecraft. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye, guys!